Claude can feel more useful when it remembers your preferences, but beginners should understand what memory does and how to control it. Open Settings and then go to Capabilities. You can see here the ability to activate Generate Memory from Chat History. The exact labels can change. Claude can build a summary from your chat history and use it to create continuity in later standalone conversations. Projects have separate project-focused memory and summaries. Memory is useful for stable preferences, your role, preferred tone, formatting habits, or recurring goals. It is not a perfect database, and it should not become the only place you store important business facts. I can tell Claude, remember that I prefer concise answers with a short recommendation first and supporting detail afterward. This is specific, harmless, and easy to verify in future answers. Now you can see here that it adds it to the memory. But you can also just write, "Please forget the preference again." And you will see that it removes the preference again. Now, if you click here again in Settings, Capabilities, you can click on View and Manage Memory. You can check what Claude already knows about you and what information it has stored. Review memory occasionally. Remove outdated or incorrect details. Do not intentionally store passwords, banking data, confidential client information, or facts that do not need to follow you between conversations. You can do this here simply by typing into the chat. If you want a conversation that does not influence normal memory, use an incognito chat when available. This is useful for one-off sensitive topics, testing a different role, or keeping unrelated work separate. Incognito does not remove every organizational retention rule, especially on managed accounts, so read the policy for your plan. The practical rule is, use memory for preferences, projects for reusable project knowledge, and your own secure systems for authoritative records. Your action step is to add one harmless preference, then inspect what Claude currently remembers. In the next lesson, we leave the browser and give Cowork its first real desktop task.